Thank you so much for your interest in this lecture. Under this lecture, still under the topic fractions and percentages, you can see the question on your screen. Express 4 as a percentage of 8. Express 4 as a percentage of 8. I have seen my students make silly errors with this question, and usually when you see the wrong solution, you will be surprised that how come this is a wrong solution. Express 4 as a percentage of 8. You can always express a number as a percentage of another number, as a percentage of another number. How do you carry out the right solution to this question? First and foremost, let us look at the wrong solution. Look at the solution on the screen. Express 4 as a percentage of 8. Some of my students have always used 400 to divide 4, then multiply by 8. 100 to divide 4 by 8, that's 4 over 100 times 8. 4 over 100 times 8. Now, because the question sounds like that, express 4 as a percentage of 8. Now, look at it. Usually, we always have 100 to represent a percentage, and 4 comes first, then 8 comes last. So, usually, so many of my students, and probably you have done that before, so many of my students will always write 4, then divide by 100, then multiply by 8 because 8 comes last. Now, that is a wrong way to solve the question. Now, usually that will give you 32 over 100 times 100. Now, because it is as a percentage. Now, because you have to get percent as an answer, usually they always have 32 over 100 times 100, which is 0.32%, which is a very wrong solution. Very wrong solution. Now, let's look at the right solution to this. Now, look at the right solution. Express 4 as a percentage of 8. This is the right solution. Now, because you are expressing a number as a percentage of that number, what you have to find the fraction. You have to find the fraction of those two numbers. That is, you have to divide those two numbers with themselves. Now, usually, because it is 4 as a percentage of 8, usually 4 is the numerator. As a percentage of 8, 8 is the denominator. Then multiply by what? By 100. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. So that means 4 divided by 2 is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 100 will give you 50%. Now, looking at it, if you look at this solution, this right solution and the wrong solution, they are different. Now, if you look at it, 4 as a percentage of 8, 4 is naturally half of 8. 4 is naturally half of 8, which is 50% of 8. 50% is half. 50% of 8. So that shows this is the right solution. This is the right solution. If you are asked to express a number as a percentage of another number, you divide that other number by the first number, then you just multiply by 100, and that will give you the right answer to this particular question.